Welcome back to Occur Controls. Now we will see the unique feature in our Possible Pro Android app. The features are statistics, email and SMS, regional language and customer credit and analysis. Let us see the statistics. Navigate to settings and then to statistics. In sales, choose the dates. Here we can see the cumulative sales, maximum, minimum and average bill value, number of bills, total credit, digital, cash sales, credit collection, total discount offered and expenses. This gives a complete detail about the daily transactions. Next is customer statistics. Here you can see the total sales, savings, credit balance of the top buyers. You can enter any number. Next is the item statistics. Here you can view the top N items sold. Choose between sales through amount or quantity. In amount statistics, the items are sorted based on the sales amount, and in the other it is sorted based on the total sold quantity. This gives you the complete information about the items sold in high volume and high price. This statistics provides you with a list of top customers, top items based on quantity, high valued items and a complete picture of daily sales. With all these statistics, you can plan on fast moving item, regular customers, frequent mode of payment by customer, your discount amount compared to total sales and many more. The next feature is customer database, wherein you can add a new customer with their name and phone number. In this also, you can view the details like total sales, savings to customers and credit balance. You can search the customer with the name, swipe right to left and we have three options: clear to clear total sales and savings, edit to modify the name or number, or bin icon to delete the customer. Press add button to add new customers. To adjust the credit amount, click the credit customer. Here you can see the details of the pending credit bills with the bill number, date and amount. Say the credit amount is something and you receive 500. So first enter the amount received, then choose the bills to be adjusted. The amount received is adjusted against the pending bills and the credit amount considered is shown. Click done. To cancel, just click outside the box. Now regional languages. You can have regional language for display and print. Enable this option in Bluetooth setting to view items in regional language. Similarly, enable the regional language print option in print setting. Once you enabled the option, the product will be shown in regional language. The regional language can be added in item stock or through the import. And when you press print, the bills, records, stock are printed in regional language. Next is email and SMS feature. You have various options. First, enable email export and enter your mail ID. Set your preferred time to send the mail report. In case you want to send instant report through mail, click send today's report. The files which are sent through mails are item wise, bill wise, report of the day and total stock report. Next is SMS. You can send SMS for every bill to both customer and owner. This SMS gets delivered only if the phone numbers are valid. Collection report at the end of the day to owner. Enter your company name as header and owner's phone number. Click send today collection SMS for instant collection report. To use this facility, you have to purchase SMS credits. On installing the app, you get 10 free credits. Contact us to purchase SMS. You can see the number of credits available. For all these facilities, you must have internet connectivity. In case of no internet connectivity, messages are stored and sent whenever connectivity is resumed. This is about the unique features available in our Possible Pro app. Subscribe our channel and Instagram account to get latest update on our products. Thank you.